Number 7. Leia has a hemoglobin of 10.8 grams per DL. The nurse interprets that this result is most likely caused by which condition noted in the client's history. So ano daw nag-cause ng hemoglobin level of 10.8 sa patient? Okay. What is your answer? Answer here is letter C. Iron deficiency anemia. Ibig sabihin, because of anemia, okay, or because of the low hemoglobin pala, nagkaroon siya ng anemia. Okay, remember that for adult female, okay, remember Leia is female, di ba? So adult female, the client's normal value for females is 12 to 16 grams per DL or 120 to 160 mmol per liter. Okay? Now, in this case, tignan nyo to ha. Dehydration may increase the hemoglobin level by hemo concentration. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya related yung dehydration tsaka yung hemoglobin na mababa.